What's up, Diecast fam? Your boy Big A here, coming at you with another video. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys some awesome castings I picked up. I hope you guys dig them. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, first one up is this awesome 1941 Willys Coupe. Check this out, guys. It's rocking the cool black enamel. Very nice red interior. It's got the cool NHRA tampos on the doors. Got this other very cool tampo right there. Check out that tampo on the back. It says Speed for All in red. Check out the taillight detail. Very, very nice. And check out the wheels, guys. I absolutely love those chrome 5-spoke wheels it has with the Goodyear tires. Very, very nice. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments, guys. Is this awesome or what? Next one up is this awesome 1953 Volkswagen Beetle. So here it is, guys. So you can see it's also rocking a cool black enamel. It also has the cool NHRA tampo on the doors, red interior. Love the wheel choice on this casting. Check out the detail on the back, guys. Is this awesome or what, man? Very, very cool. Check this out, guys. This is awesome, man. It also says Race for All right here. It also has the cool tampo on the top. Very cool. And by the way, guys, these are all Walmart exclusive. So if you guys are interested, you know where to find them. Next one up is this awesome 1985 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. So check this out, guys. This car is rocking a cool black enamel. It's rocking a cool red hockey stripe on the side there. It's also rocking the cool NHRA tampos on the doors, red interior. And check out that tampo on the top there. I don't know about you guys, but I think that tampo is freaking awesome, man. Check out the taillight detail, guys. This thing is sick. And check this out, guys. Right here it says Speed for All as well. I don't know if you guys could capture that or not. But check this out, man. I really love the wheels on this car, man. Again, guys, these are Walmart exclusives. If you guys are interested, you guys know where to find them. Check out the detail on the front there. Very, very cool. I'm also digging the cool diamond plate these cars are sitting on, man. These things are sick. All right, let's set this down for a little bit. Next one up is this awesome 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Gasser. Check this out, guys. Is this awesome or what, man? Black enamel, NHRA tampos. It says Chevrolet right here, and it's got the Gasser decals right there. Check out those wheels, man. Nice. Red interior. Check out the taillight detail, guys. It says Race for All right there. And it's got this cool little tampo right there. Check this out, guys. Is this a beauty or what, man? Check out the detail on the front. God, this is beautiful, man. Gassers are freaking awesome. Alright guys, let me set this one down and move on to the next one. Alright guys, next one up is this awesome 1987 Ford Mustang GT. And here it is, guys. Check this out. I know Mustang Hunter will absolutely love this casting. It's rocking the cool black enamel, red interior. It's got the cool NHRA decal right there. This one is smaller compared to the other ones. Check this out. All the other ones are about this size, and this one is pretty small. I don't know why they did that, but it's all good. Check out the wheels. Very, very cool. Check out the taillight detail, man. This is really, really cool. This thing is nice. Alright guys, let's check out the headlight detail here. Check this out. It's got the Ford badge right on the center of the grille. You can see the fog lights on the bottom. Very cool. Alright guys, now let's move on to some larger scale cars. I'm in your face! This is the Fast and Furious Dodge Challenger SRT8. So let's check it out, guys. Alright guys, so here it is. Check it out. This car is rocking a cool black enamel, and it's got a hint of matte black right there. This is a gas cap. Check out the wheels. I'm really digging the chrome ring around the rims. It's got opening doors. There you go. Black interior. Check that out, guys. And as you already know, this is my go-to car, man. I can't pass up on them. And this is the largest scale I'll go, guys. 133 is the largest scale I'll go. Anything larger than that, as much as I like them, I pass on them. But yeah, this is as large of a scale I go. And check this out, guys. It's got some cool detail on the taillights. Very, very nice. Alright, I'm going to set this aside for now. Alright guys, next one up is this awesome Toyota GR Supra. And as you can see, this is from the Fast and Furious 9 movie. So check it out. Let's crack it open. Man, this is nice. Check it out, guys. This car is rocking a cool orange enamel color. I really like the black accents on the side and on the top there. It's got some opening doors, black interior. I'm really digging the wheel choice on this casting. Black on black. So check this out, guys. It's got the Toyota badge right here. And on the plate, it says F9, representing the movie. And check out those taillights, guys. And I don't know if you guys could see this, guys, but between the Toyota badge and the Fast 9 plate, it says Supra. Kind of sandwiched in between. There you go. There it is. Very, very cool. Check out the headlight detail. It also has a Toyota badge right there, right on the center. Very, very cool casting. Let me know what you guys think. Set this here for now. Alright guys, next one up is this awesome Nissan 370Z. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so here it is. As you can see, it's rocking a cool silver enamel. It's got a black interior, opening doors. Check out all the detail on the interior, guys. This is really cool. Check out the wheels. I'm really digging the chrome ring around the wheels. And it's got a matte black hood. Very cool. Check out the detail on the headlights. It's got the Nissan badge right there. Let's check out the back. Check that out, guys. Check that out. This car is sweet, man. It's got a lot of detail on the back as well. What do you guys think? So tell me what you guys think about this one. Let's move on to the next one. The last one is this awesome Dodge Charger RT. So let's check it out. Okay, let's see here. Alright guys, so here it is. As you can see, it's rocking a cool black enamel all around. It's got the cool RT tempo right there. It's got a piece of tape right here, so I can't open the door for you guys right now. But the doors do open and close. I'm really digging the wheels. Check out the taillight detail. Very, very nice. Let's check out the front real quick. All chrome. And check out that chrome grille. Very, very nice. I don't care about the packaging, guys. I do plan on cutting them loose at some point. I just don't have the space for them. So right now, they're staying in these boxes. Alright guys, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a great weekend. You guys take care, God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.